video, I'm going to share with you guys the easiest way to make a very beautiful and pretty mini blog for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, it's a tutorial video जहाँ पे मैं आपके साथ share करूँगी how to make and edit mini blogs for Instagram Reels and for YouTube Shorts. Now mini blogs are so trendy right now and I love watching those blogs. I also love to make those blogs. Like you can watch all my mini blogs on my another YouTube channel where I share some amazing mini blogs for now, but I'm gonna share more videos there, so stay tuned for that and go and subscribe. Now in today's video there will be no intense editing. It is for everyone. Like if you're new to editing and you don't know how to edit any videos or something like that, but you want to make those mini blogs and want to capture your moments, so then this video is also for you. In this video I'm going to share with you guys the easiest way to make a very beautiful and pretty mini blog for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing first is that डरना नहीं है बहुत सारे clips देख के, because I know if you are making a blog there will be so many clips and you know इतने सारे clips देख के कभी कभी लगता है कौन करेगा, like you know we feel lazy. I also feel the same sometimes, so yeah, I know your dard. Okay, so I'm using my laptop. I will be seeing a screen recording that I recorded for this video. I will play the screen recording here. So as you can see, I have so many clips from this indoor blog that I'm gonna add it. Like ये भी you know कम ही है. Like this time मैंने इतना blog you know shoot नहीं कर पाई थी because मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. So ये थोड़ा कम ही है, but yeah, still बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, so first, if you're feeling so lazy, like if you really don't want to get into it or something like that, but you want a video, like you want the work to be done. So for that I have a very simple way that I usually do most of the time and it turned out really great, is that I मैं सारे क्लिप्स को 1 सेकेंड में सेट कर देती हूँ. सबका ड्यूरेशन 1 सेकेंड का कर देती हूँ एंड इट वर्क्स रियली वर्क्स. एक दो क्लिप में थोड़ा आता है कि लाइक 1 सेकेंड में कुछ अजीब सा दिखने लगता है, लाइक समझ में नहीं आता है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन इंक्रीज द टाइम और यू कैन जस्ट सेलेक्ट द मेन पार्ट फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर क्लिप. सो या, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लिप will set automatically very nicely. And for that what you can do is that whenever you are shooting anything, just make sure you're shooting from a very beautiful point only. Like starting में beautiful part होना चाहिए and you're set. Like when you go to the editing part, you have to just set the duration into 1 second and you get a very beautiful mini blog for sure, like for sure. So yeah, that's the very simple tip. And actually you can just close this video. This is the tip you can use and you get a mini blog. So yeah, but please don't close the video. We have something more in this video, so please keep on watching. Now for the second scenario, if you're feeling to go into the editing a little bit, so first thing you have to make sure of the sequence. So what you can do is that you can arrange the clips जो भी from day 1, like day 1 में ये हुआ था, day 2 ये हुआ था, day 3 ये हुआ था, उस sequence में you can keep all the clips like that. That like very easiest way of maintaining the sequence and it will look nice. Like final video में बहुत अच्छा ही लगेगा. Like we get confused कि कौन सा clip पहले रखूँ, ये रखूँ, वो रखूँ. Just don't think so much, just keep according to the actual sequence जो हुआ था आपके साथ आपकी trip में. So yeah, that's you can do. And for this I have the tip for you. If you're using the InShot, make sure you are choosing the videos from the day 1 only. Like जो भी आपको पहले रखना है वो पहले चूज करना, जो सेकंड में रखना है वो सेकंड में चूज करना, जो थर्ड में रखना है वो थर्ड में. So ऑटोमेटिकली आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग दे देगा. ऐसे zigzag नहीं बनाना है. So yeah, it will make your process easy, so you can do that. And sequence में रख के you can use the first tip. सारे clips का duration 1 second कर दो and you get a very beautiful mini blog for sure. Definitely try this one out. Let's move on. Now for the third scenario, if you really don't want to get into the editing part, make sure you're making your shooting part interesting. Like वहीं पे आप अपना आधा काम कर सकते हो. So what you have to do is that you have to shoot your videos with the movement, like with everything you are shooting it should have a movement. Like अगर आप ऐसे still object भी shoot कर रहे हो then उसको भी ऐसे movement के साथ आपको shoot करना है, like right to left या left to right या ऊपर से नीचे, you know there should be a movement. And also अगर आप खाने वाने का भी video बना रहे हो, make sure you are adding a movement, like खाना लेते हुए या खाते हुए, there should be a movement which make your mini blog very very interesting. Like छोटे सी clip में वो movement होगा, so it will make your blog interesting. So yeah, try to add movement while shooting any video when you are in your trip or something. So yeah, adding a movement, that's the next thing that you can do ताकि आपका जो editing part है वो easy हो जाएगा. You have to just use the first and the second tip together and you will get a very very beautiful mini blog for sure. And with movement क्या होगा is that कि आप starting clip में एक अच्छा सा movement डाल दोगे, so आपके audience भी attract करेंगे. Okay, this look interesting, we have to watch it like पूरा. So yeah, make sure you're shooting the videos with movements because उससे आपका वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग बनेगा एंड फिर लोगों को भी देखने में मज़ा आएगा, इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा. सो या मेक श्योर यू आर एडिंग द मूवमेंट. एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट tip for this video. And for the last thing is something that I usually do, which I love doing, is adding, making the statement, like making the point, like blog khatam ho gaya hai. So for that what I do is that I add this black background, like 0.5 सेकेंड का मैं ये ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड एंड में रखती हूँ जिससे ये इस टाइप का इफेक्ट आता है ऐसा ब्लिंक वाला कि ओके एंड हो गया है ब्लॉग. सो आई लव डूइंग दैट एंड दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी ऑप्शनल. इफ यू वांट टू डू यू कैन डू इट बट आई लव डूइंग इट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक अ डुप्लीकेट ऑफ any clip you in the video, like 0.5 का कोई सा भी आप clip ले लो and then you have to click the canvas option and then आपको जो आपका वीडियो है उसको ऐसे नीचे फेंक देना है, like गायब कर देना है and then you can choose the background color black and yeah, that's it. And this is how it will turn out and I love it. Like I love this effect at the end, it's a blink आना चाहिए. I don't know but I really like to do it. So yeah, this is something that you can do and I feel it makes the video interesting also. So yeah, it's like a very optional thing that you can try but I love doing it and I just want to share with you guys. So yeah, it's very easy but it actually make your mini blog interesting. So yeah, you can try this one out and yeah, that would be my last tip to make your mini blog very very interesting and beautiful. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. Let me know what you think of this tutorial and let me know if you find this video and tutorial helpful or not in the comment section below. I would like to know that. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you next video. Bye. Bye.